we're back to normal. And look, we're engines now. Thanks, Raven. Hey, I could talk again. Booyah! Hey, I'm back to normal now. Hey, I'm not a bird no more. I'm the normal kid now. And I got my whole body back. I'm not a bird anymore. Thanks, Raven. You're welcome. Okay, now everyone's back to normal. Now, we all need to go find Splatter and Dodge. They should pay what they did to Raven. And we want to know who told Splatter and Dodge to tell Raven. Yeah, let's do it. It's gonna be like touchdown. But wait a minute, guys. We don't know where Splatter and Dodge are. Ah, darn it. Where are those two diesels?